I'm stuck in a thunderstorm. Seemingly constantly stuck in a thunderstorm. At least in my car. 'Cause the weather thing says there's thunderstorms. It's 8 degrees outside and there's thunderstorms. Even when the sky's blue and bright, there's thunderstorms. I don't know why the weather thing in my car can't update like it's supposed to, but there's thunderstorms. It's 5 degrees outside and there's thunderstorms. If you like that song, there's another one here. And if you like them all, you can subscribe right here. But if you're not watching on YouTube, I'm just waving my hand in the air. Thanks for stopping by. Woo!